Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my channel and let's get started. Today we'll be making two crafts. One will be the 3D diyas and second will be the door wreath for Diwali. So let's get started with the first craft. So for the first craft what we require colored papers and a golden paper for decor, and then we require scissor, pencil and a ruler and a glue gun or glue. Also we'll require thread. So let's get started with this. So first what we do is, I'm taking here a cup to make a circle. Once I have made a circle, we are going to go ahead and cut it. Now, once I have made a circle, I'm going to fold it into two parts and I'm going to cut it. So let's go ahead and make few of this. So these are few of this. Then what we do is, we go ahead and we take some yellow paper and we are going to fold it. One fold and two fold. So when we cut at a time, we are going to get 4. So what we are going to do is, we are going to this is going to be the light of the diya. So let's go ahead and cut it. I have 4 of these. So let's see how the diya is made. Take a thread, and what I do is, I'll take a ruler. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take the thread and we are going to mark around 10 centimeters each. We are going to make a diya. So I'll just put some measurement for me so I know where do I have to put the diya. Okay. So at every 10 centimeters we are going to put one diya. So let's get started. So now what we need to do is, we need to take these half circles and fold them into 2. So once you have folded them into 2, what you are going to do is, you are going to go ahead and take a glue and stick the 2 together. Now if you see this opening here our thread is going to go, and you can secure it with little bit of more glue. Then the third piece of the half circle is going to come over it, and the thread should be passing exactly through the center. So if you see, we have our diya ready. Now let's put the flame ready. Let's take the flame. Now we are going to go ahead and put a fold in between the flame too. Like every flame that we have drawn, we have to fold it at the center of it. Now the flame goes half on the diya and half on the thread. So exactly in the center now since this is the first one, we are going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue. So our thread remains in the, also let's put a glue over here. And then goes the third part of the flame. So if you see, our diya is ready with our 3D diya is ready. Now to add decor parts to it, what we are going to do is, we are going to take we are going to go ahead and we are going to take the golden paper we are going to take the golden paper and I'm going to punch. I'm going to add these pieces over here in diya, so they will glow. Okay, now if you see, our 3D diya is ready. Now let's go ahead and make few of more of this. Went ahead and I made few of these diyas. Now what we are going to do is we are going to put the hanging with the 3D diyas is ready. So let's add one more thing at the bottom. So let's see how to do it. What we are going to do is we are going to need a rectangle. So now that we have this, we are going to go ahead and we are going to roll this. We'll roll it and it should look like this. So let's go ahead and do that. Once we are done this, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and we are going to take a red paper and we are going to roll it into a stick. Here, I have rolled a paper stick. We are going to go ahead and attach it. So before attaching that, what we are going to do is we are going to add some details to our item over here, and then you guys are going to guess it and tell me what that item is. So let's see if you guys can tell me what it is. Let's see if you can guess it properly. Let's add some of more details to this. Now looking at this, most of you might have guessed it. Yes, it's a Diwali rocket and we are going to add it to our hanging. Let's take a piece of thread and put it on the rocket. So let's add some more details to our rocket. Ready. Let's go ahead and make the head of the rocket. So what I do is I take a yellow paper and I take a glass and I draw again a circle. So after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this circle. Once I have my circle, I'm going to go ahead and cut the pizza part of it. Just like this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the pizza part of it, and I'm going to go ahead and put these two pieces together and make the head of the rocket. Now before making head of the rocket, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the measurement of the rocket. Now once I'm done that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this together. I'm going to also take the end of the hanging diyas that was there, and I'm going to put it inside. For that, what I do is I take a skewer and I put the thread inside the rocket head. So once I've done that, once you can see a thread here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put little glue and secure it so it doesn't move. I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to put the head on the rocket. So now our rocket is ready. So this was our diya and this was our rocket. So let's go and see how it looks. To the second craft of today. For this, what we require is a cardboard cut in a circle. This circle is 22 centimeters. Then we require some color papers. Here I took orange and yellows. We'll also require scissors, ruler and a pencil. So let's get started. We take our orange paper and what we do is we divide this into 3 parts. So each part will be 3.5 inches. After cutting these parts, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut also the yellow parts. So I will have orange and yellow parts cut ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fold this into a shape of a cone. I'm going to fold it in a shape of a cone. So let's go ahead and do that and glue it together. So now you see the cone shape. So let's go ahead and do rest all. I went ahead and I did couple of orange cones and couple of yellow cones. So we keep this aside. So next what we are going to do is we are going to take our circle and we are going to start putting this one by one at the edge in a circular shape. So what we do is we take 4 of this and we go in with the like a clock shape. Now when you try to paste it, see to it that this cone is around 3.5 inches. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the half of it, and when you are putting the cone, see to it that the cone part of it is outside. It's like this. So let's go ahead and put the rest of all. wreath is ready with the orange ones that we have put. Now is the time to put the yellow ones. Now what we do is, the only difference is, while putting the yellow ones, we are going to put it as inside. As you see, I had marked 2 lines. I am going to put it as inside as possible between the two of this. Let me show you how I do. So I go ahead with my glue in between the, exactly over the center. So this will be inside. You might have to keep on pressing it for some time and put some more glue. Let me go ahead and put the second one. That our wreath is pretty much ready. So what we do is, to fill the center part of it, we go ahead and we cut a circle, a white circle, and then we go ahead and we cut another circle out of the cardboard. Now we have a circle of a cardboard. We go ahead and we glue this together. And whatever was the extra part, we cut it. Once we have our extra part cut, what we are going to do is, I had this golden thread, so I'm going to go ahead and decorate this part. Now once we have put this, there are 2 things that you can do. One is right here, Shubh Labh, as everyone likes it to put the Shubh Labh on the door, or you can put a diya on this. So let's put a diya on. So first we put the flame over here, and then we try to put this diya. Now if you want, you can go ahead and decorate it still further.
Now that it's ready, let's put it on the wreath.
Once you are done with this, once this is dried, you go ahead and you put a thread behind. To decorate it little bit more.
This is how it looks, guys, at the end. What I did was, whatever spaces were remaining, I filled it with the smaller ones, and this is how it looks. Try this wreath at home and make your Diwali more special. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to hit that bell icon.
Let's see how it looks on the door.